Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is one of Croatia's most famous and picturesque natural attractions. It is renowned for its stunning lakes, waterfalls, lush forests, and diverse wildlife. Here are some key details and information about Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park is located in central Croatia, in the Lika-Senj County. It is approximately halfway between the capital city, Zagreb, and the coastal city of Zadar. The park is known for its cascading lakes and waterfalls, which are formed by the confluence of several rivers and streams. The park consists of 16 interconnected lakes, all of which are known for their unique colors, ranging from azure to green, gray, and blue. The park features numerous waterfalls, with the Lika-Senj Great Waterfall being the most famous and tallest waterfall in Croatia, plunging approximately 78 meters, 256 feet. The sound of rushing water and the lush surroundings create a truly enchanting atmosphere. To protect the natural environment and allow visitors to explore the park, a network of wooden walkways and bridges has been built. These pathways wind through the park, providing stunning views of the lakes and waterfalls. Plitvice Lakes National Park is home to diverse plant and animal species. The pristine environment supports various wildlife, including bears, wolves, lynx, deer, and numerous bird species. The park's forests are primarily composed of beech, fir, and spruce trees. Visitors can explore the park through a network of hiking trails and wooden pathways. Swimming is generally not allowed in the lakes, but boat rides are available on some of the larger lakes. Winter activities like cross-country skiing are also popular during the colder months. Plitvice Lakes National Park has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979 in recognition of its outstanding natural beauty and ecological significance. The park has several visitor centers with information about the park's history, geology, and ecology. These centers are a great starting point for your visit and provide maps and guidance. Entrance fees to the park vary depending on the season and the type of ticket, single or multi-day. It's advisable to check the official website for the most up-to-date information on fees and opening hours. There are hotels and guest houses located in and around the park, making it convenient for visitors to stay overnight and explore the park at different times of the day. The best time to visit Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia depends on your preferences and what you want to experience. Here's a breakdown of the different seasons to help you decide when to plan your visit. Number 1. Spring, April to June. Spring is a beautiful time to visit Plitvice Lakes as nature comes to life after the winter months. The waterfalls are at their fullest due to the melting snow and spring rains, making it a fantastic time for waterfall photography. The park is less crowded than in the peak summer months. The weather is generally mild and pleasant, but be prepared for occasional rain showers. Number 2. Summer, July and August. Summer is the peak tourist season, and the park can be quite crowded, especially during July and August. The weather is warm and sunny, making it ideal for hiking and exploring the lakes and waterfalls. Longer daylight hours mean you have more time to explore the park. Be prepared for higher entrance fees and the need to book accommodations well in advance. Number 3. Autumn, September to October. Early autumn, September, is an excellent time to visit as the weather is still pleasant, and the summer crowds have started to thin out. The fall foliage is stunning, with the trees changing colors, adding an extra layer of beauty to the park. October is a quieter time to visit, but the weather can be more unpredictable, with cooler temperatures and occasional rain. Number 4. Winter, November to March. Winter is the least popular time to visit due to colder temperatures and snowfall. However, if you enjoy a more peaceful and snowy atmosphere, visiting in winter can be a unique experience. The park offers cross-country skiing and snowshoeing trails for winter sports enthusiasts. Some sections of the park may be closed or inaccessible during the winter months. Ultimately, the best time to visit Plitvice Lakes National Park depends on your preferences for weather, crowd levels, and the type of experience you want to have. Spring and early autumn offer a balance between pleasant weather and fewer crowds, making them popular choices for many visitors. If you don't mind the crowds and want to enjoy summer activities, July and August are suitable, but be prepared for higher prices and make advance reservations.